What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, me and Trevor are going to show you guys how to upgrade the headlights on your 2021 and up Ford Bronco.
Alright guys, what we have are the headlights off of a Wild Track Bronco. What we have is a base package, so we have the basic LEDs that have the DRL just on this bar. This has the full C-ring, plus this strip lights up, so it should be a nice change.
So this is a good OEM plus mod to do to your Bronco. So these ones you can get from Ford for about $1,200 a piece. However, we got these ones used from a friend for about $500. All right, so tools needed for this job is a 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, possibly a swivel. You're gonna want a flathead screwdriver or a plastic removal tool. And then you can get either an impact or a ratchet, obviously your headlights, and a brew if you're feeling frisky. First step on this is you're gonna remove all of your plastic clips on this cowl here and remove it. All right, step 2 is gonna be to remove this assembly here. You're gonna wanna push down in this area so that way it unlatches from those pockets. Now you can remove the cowl. Okay, and now you're going to remove the 4 bolts on the grill. These are 10mm, and then once those are removed, you can pull the grill straight out, and you're gonna wanna make sure that you pull from the sides because there's tabs on the sides that are holding it in.
That's way too easy.
Next, you're going to remove your fender flares. So underneath here, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little tabs. You're just going to flip those, and it should come right off. And now repeat on the other side.
So next we're just gonna pull this trim in this direction, left of the headlight. It should pop right out. And we're gonna repeat the same on the other side. All right, next we're gonna take the headlight off. We're gonna start by taking this 8mm out. We're gonna switch over to the 10mm for the top of the headlight. We have these 2 bolts right here and right here. Next, we're gonna remove this clip next to the 10mm bolt. All right, so next we're gonna pull this headlight out. There's some clips retaining it. You're just gonna wanna provide equal pressure on both sides. Then you're gonna have this connector on the back side. Just gonna depress it, pull out. Next, we're gonna put this the new headlight in. We're just gonna put the clip back on. We're gonna line this up. Provide a little bit of pressure to clip in. All right. Now we're gonna test the light real quick before we bolt everything back.
Now we're just going to repeat this on the other side. Now this side is in, we are going to reinstall the bolts on this side. So we have a 8mm bolt here, and your 2 10mm bolts, and then your clip there. Now make sure to test all the functions of your lights before throwing anything else back on. So next we're going to reinstall the valence. Now we're going to reinstall the fender flares. And don't forget your clips on the bottom. Next, reinstall the grill. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts on the grill. Throw your cowl back on. And reinstall your clips. And now throw on the intake. And finally, enjoy the new look of your Ford Bronco. All right, guys, that does it for this week.
Hey, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.